Good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of Frontliners, a program dedicated to helping us know more about our Department of Foreign Affairs. Today, let's have a glimpse of our Filipinos' lives in the largest country in the world, Russia. Let's get to know how the Philippine Embassy provides services for their well-being and how it maintains our ties with the Russian government. Joining us this afternoon is His Excellency Ambassador Carlos Soreta. But before we start, let us first watch this.
Tubong Birak Catanduanes ang bagong talagang ambasador ng bansa sa Russia na si Carlos Soreta. Siya ay may ranggong Chief of Mission 1, ang pinakamataas sa Philippine Career Foreign Service, isang University of the Philippine College of Law alumnus. Siya rin ay naging United Nations International Law Fellow sa Columbia University Law School. Nagturo rin siya ng International Law at Diplomacy sa iba't ibang kolehiyo at universidad sa bansa. Bago siya maitalaga sa Russia, siya ang Director General ng Foreign Service Institute ng bansa. Iba't ibang posisyon na rin ang kanyang nahawakan kung saan naipamalas niya ang kanyang husay sa pamumuno at pakikipag-ugnayan sa pamahalaan ng ibang bansa. Ang Bicolanong si Ambassador Soreta ay may 3 anak sa may bahay na si Maria Consuelo Dancel Sison.